There is a quiet battle happening within you right now, and most people never realize they are losing it. You believe your greatest challenges are outside of you, your job, your circumstances, other people. But the truth is far more subtle. Your greatest challenge is your own mind. Sit with me for a moment and listen carefully. Long ago, I too believed that peace would come when the world around me became still. I believed that if I could escape discomfort, avoid pain, and control my surroundings, then I would finally feel at ease. But the more I tried to control the world, the more I lost control of myself. And that is when I understood something that changed everything. You cannot always control what enters your life, but you must learn to control what stays in your mind. Because if you don't, your thoughts will begin to control you. And the mind, when left untrained, is not your ally. It is your master. It will replay your fears. It will exaggerate your doubts. It will convince you that you are not enough, not ready, not capable. And the most dangerous part is, it will sound like the truth. I remember sitting beneath a tree, watching a river flow. The water moved effortlessly, never resisting, never clinging. And yet, my mind was doing the opposite, holding on to every worry, every regret, every imagined future that had not even arrived. That is when I asked myself, why do I trust every thought as if it deserves to be believed? You see, not every thought is wisdom. Some thoughts are noise. Some are echoes of fear. Some are habits you've repeated so often. They feel like reality, but they are not you. You are the observer of your thoughts, not the prisoner of them. And once you understand this, everything begins to change. Let me tell you a story. There was a man who came to me, overwhelmed by anxiety. He said, "Master, my mind will not stop. It keeps telling me everything will go wrong." I asked him, if a stranger walked up to you and said those same things, would you believe them? He paused and said, "No." Then I asked, "So why do you believe it when your mind says it?" He had no answer, because we are taught to trust our thoughts, but never taught to question them. And this is where suffering begins. Your mind is powerful, but it is also conditioned. It is shaped by your past, your fears, your experiences. It does not always seek truth. It seeks familiarity. That is why you return to the same worries, the same doubts, the same patterns. Not because they are real, but because they are known. So how do you take back control? You do not fight the mind. You do not silence it by force. You learn to watch it without attachment. When a thought arises, do not chase it. Do not resist it. Simply observe it, like a cloud passing through the sky. Because the moment you stop feeding a thought, it begins to lose its power. Most people believe control means dominance, but true control is awareness. Awareness is what creates space between you and your thoughts. And in that space, you are free. Free from reacting. Free from believing every fear. Free from becoming the very thing your mind tells you that you are. Let me give you something simple, but powerful. The next time your mind tells you you're not good enough, pause and ask yourself, is this a fact or just a thought? You will begin to see how often you have been living under the influence of unexamined thoughts, and slowly you will begin to reclaim your power. Because the truth is, your life is shaped not by what happens to you, but by how your mind interprets it. Two people can face the same storm. One breaks, the other grows stronger. The difference is not the storm, it is the mind. A trained mind becomes a source of strength. An untrained mind becomes a source of suffering. So train it, not with force, but with patience, not with judgment, but with understanding. Each day, take a few moments to sit in stillness. Watch your thoughts come and go, without trying to change them. This is where mastery begins, not in controlling every thought, but in no longer being controlled by them. And over time, something remarkable will happen. The noise will begin to quiet, the space will begin to widen, and you will realize that peace was never something you had to chase. It was something you uncover when the mind stops pulling you in every direction. Remember this, your mind is a tool. It is not your identity. Use it wisely, or it will use you. So the next time your thoughts try to pull you into fear, pause, breathe, observe, and remind yourself, I am not my thoughts. I am the one who sees them. And in that moment, you take your power back.